Hello, IELTS winners. In next 3 to 5 minutes, I would try to explain what exactly are we going to cover in this workshop. We are going to talk about three things in this workshop. The first thing is strategies. And why are strategies so important? You might have seen in your experience that many people who come from English speaking background, who work in an English environment day in and day out, do not get the desired marks in the IELTS test. Some of them do not clear the reading section, some of them get stuck in writing, others get stuck in listening or speaking. But they work in an English speaking environment. I'm talking about doctors, I'm talking about executives, I'm talking about various professionals who come from an English speaking environment do not clear the IELTS test in the first attempt. What is the reason? If they speak English on a daily basis, how is it that they do not clear this test? Clearly, there is an opportunity in strategies. They don't understand the test strategies. Speaking English and working in an English speaking environment is very different from clearing the IELTS test. Good English is not good enough for IELTS. So you need to understand the right strategies for listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And that is what we are going to cover in this workshop. This particular workshop is meant to reinforce all the strategies. That's our first goal. The second goal is practice. Even if you know the strategies, how to apply them is another big question. Knowing the strategies is not enough. How to use them in a real life? For example, when I say that revision is the mother of all skills, well, this is a strategy. Now, how to revise, what to revise is a question. And for that, my answer is, like, let's say if we talk about writing, write the same essay multiple times. Use a format and write the same essay multiple times. So you see that how a strategy translates into practice. The strategy is to do the same test multiple times, and the practice is that if you got an essay and if you are not at 8 or 8.5 bands, you rewrite the same essay till you reach to 8 or 8.5 bands on that particular topic. And the third thing which we are going to cover in this workshop is performance. How to track your performance. When you're moving from point A to point B, you look at milestones, right? When you move from, let's say, city A to city B, you look at milestones and you understand, okay, this much distance you have covered and this much more distance is required. If you do not track your milestones, you would not know how much more you have to travel and you would not be able to plan. So tracking your performance, knowing to which milestone have you reached and what is the next milestone, what are you supposed to do to reach to that milestone is equally important. So these are the three things we are going to talk about in this workshop. The strategies, how to apply those strategies in practice, and how to track your performance so that you reach your desired goals. I thank you all to reach to this particular page, and now I request you to click at the button. I'm keen to see you there in IELTS ASAP workshop. By the way, ASAP stands for as skilled as possible and as soon as possible. All the very best. See you there in the workshop. Thank you so much.